All right, for space saving, this is a perfect thing for you guys. All right, this is a actual, if you guys can see that, it's a collapse storage bin, right? So we're gonna open it up and show you how easy it is to set these up, right? And of course, you can buy them in different pack sizes, right? They come varieties. This is a pack of 3 that I have. Pick up the top. And if you guys ever buy this for foul, like the cardboard versions of it, they're good, but these are plastic. They're durable, and they're gonna last you a long time. So if you guys notice, they collapse, unlock it, get the 2 corners up, and then you drop these, right? And they lock in place. And that's pretty much simple. They're huge. Take a lot of space, so you can actually add more stuff in here. And of course, the cover on the top. So we're gonna get all this stuff that's in here, put it in here. That's what we're gonna organize. All right, this is just one box full of stuff already. So we're gonna store this stuff, of course, get it ready, move it out. And what the best thing about these are stackable. All right, I'm gonna show you how stackable they are. They're great for when you're moving, a quick setup and go. And at the same time, you can put them away. They're collapsible. They don't take a lot of space, because once you buy them and you don't need them, they're very bulky if you buy these that are not collapsible. But because these are collapsible, minimum space underneath your bed, closets, anywhere you want, and you're ready to go. Just grab your stuff and you're set to go. I forgot to mention that when you stack them up, I have a wheel cart here too, and I'm gonna load them up. So we'll start with the lightest one, which is the middle one, because I don't need it. Work my way up. And like I said, they're stackable. So, and if you add wheels, even easier. I could add 2 more of these 2 products. So very simple. So if you guys are looking for nice collapsible crates, check them out.